Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Shanghai Rummy. This exciting card game, also known as California Rummy, involves multiple decks and offers a fun challenge for 3 to 8 players. Each player begins with 11 cards, and your ultimate goal is to be the first to successfully complete 10 unique meld combinations throughout the game. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a strategic and engaging card game with friends and family. To play Shanghai Rummy, you must understand melds, sets, and runs. A set is formed by 3 or more cards of the same rank, like 3 sevens. A run requires 4 or more cards of the same suit in sequential order, such as the 4, 5, 6, and 7 of hearts. Jokers are incredibly useful, acting as wild cards to complete any missing card in your sets or runs, adding a strategic element to your hand. Shanghai Rummy features 10 distinct phases, each with increasing difficulty. For example, the first phase asks for 2 sets of 3 cards. As you progress, you'll encounter combinations like 1 set of 3 and 1 run of 4, or even 3 runs of 5 cards in the final phase. Successfully completing these specific melds is key to advancing and ultimately winning the game, so plan your strategy carefully. Gameplay involves drawing a card, either from the deck or the discard pile, then strategically laying down your melds. Once your phase is on the table, you can add cards to your own or other players' melds. A round concludes when a player successfully plays all their cards. Points are then calculated for any cards remaining in players' hands, with 2 through 9 cards worth 5 points, face cards and tens worth 10, aces 15, and jokers 25. The player with the lowest total score after 10 rounds wins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.